Just issued a severe thunderstorm watch.
87 at Bloomington, 85 at Galesburg, 89 at Springfield, and 90 at
Just
Pontiac.
issued it.
It was cloudy with a temperature of 88 at Moline and 86 at Quincy. And once again at noon in Peoria with a thunderstorm.
Or if my HH will activate.
Looking elsewhere around the Midwest at noon, Chicago was partly sunny and 89. Indianapolis was partly sunny and 85. St. Louis reported thunder and 91. Kansas City was cloudy and 79. Des Moines was partly sunny and 76. Milwaukee was cloudy and 81. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories.
They didn't even tone it yet. Oh, there it goes. Didn't activate this should thing. Toned late.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 328, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Fulton, Knox, Marshall, Mason, McLean, Peoria, Putnam, Stark, Tazewell, and Woodford. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The ELM doesn't
During
turn it
severe
off.
weather, keep